My father is a farmer. My mom handles organic farming with dad. I have a younger sister and I have a chacha and we live with him. So growing up, two daughters, it's difficult for parents, and coming from Rajasthan, so everyone used to ask, do you have a brother? Do you have a brother? And my mom used to say, nahi, ye mere do anmol ratan hai. So, and when you talk about inspiration, I think when my mother said that ye mere do anmol ratan hai, I always tried to be the ratan for her, so that I could be the diamond for her someday, so that she could cherish me forever. And for parents, their kid will always be, the best one. But we are their creation. But I always try to be her art and their art. So every now and then, when my parents try to come to Bombay, or when I go back to my city, what truly inspires me is like my dad being truly happy of what I am now. Not the fact that I've won Miss India, or maybe like I'm living in Bombay and surviving this city by myself, but also that he has seen his daughter from from holding her to his hands to now, seeing her on stage and crying to see her becoming victorious. So I think the tear in their eyes, their selflessness and the love that they give, that's what truly inspires me. And parents are parents, they are forever our gods. God cannot be present everywhere, so that's why they made parents, and that's why they are my inspiration. Ever since growing up, I had this dream in me not a dream basically, but I used to always think that what will I'll do in my life. And recently when I go back to how a 13-year-old Nandini used to think, my mama recently told me that she won Miss Madhya Pradesh during her time. So whenever I tell this to anyone, they say that, now that you're following your mother's footsteps. But I think it's a seed imbibed in me by my mother to always follow and chase the dreams that you live for. And if not for her, I don't think so I would have been here. The dream, the inspiration, everything has come from my mom. And मेरे लिए मेरी मदर वो ऐसा कुमार है जो अपने घड़े को इतना जो आकार देता है, और वो घड़ा मैं हूँ. तो जो घड़ा है वो हमेशा उसके अंदर प्यार की बातें, रिस्पेक्ट की बातें, ह्यूमिलिटी की बातें मेरे अंदर भरती जाती हैं, ताकि वो घड़ा हमेशा भरा रहे. And for her, I am her creation. I always try to be her art. My first project was through my mentor, where I first worked for French Embassy in the Opera House for a very renowned designer, Vaishali S. And I think it was my first assignment here, and I still remember being very happy about it, telling my mom that, Mama, I'm walking the ramp and I'm very happy. So that was the first thing that my dreams came true into the city of dreams.